So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can cut and trim video into your Premiere Pro. So friend, this is very simple step. Here I will guide you step by step. So friend, first of all, open your Premiere Pro. So this is my Premiere Pro program which is opening right now. So friend, this is my Premiere Pro and here I'm going to create one project. So this is sample project. And I'm going to select another location. For example, this is desktop and here I'm going to type sample. So this is my sample and click OK. Right now we are going to import that video which we want to trim and cut. So what you will do, right now you can see this video is imported here. Right now we are going to drag here. So this video you can see here, right? And friend, here we are going to simply cut and trim. So we are going to little bit mute. So now we are going to cut. So what we will do, here you can see the sample thing with the tool menu and you select the edit, layout will change, select the editing, so you will get tools nearby this layer. Okay, so here we are going to select razor tool. For cut you can use C from your keyboard. Okay, so simply which part you want to cut, you can simply select that part and click this razor button, so that part will cut very easily. And if you want to delete these things, you can simply click here and then select this one and press enter delete. Okay, you press delete button, so that clip will delete, and here you again click, so you will get this white box. You simply again press delete button, so that clip will automatically adjust over here. Okay, so friend, now we are going to see the trim thing. If you want to trim, then simply you can see whenever you drag that mouse, you will get this red left side arrow. Simply you can drag it, so that clip will trim. So let's see how it will look. For example, we want to trim here. Okay, and now we are going to play here. So friend, that video is trimmed now. So friend, this is the tutorial where I want to share with you guys how you can easily cut and delete and also do trim into your video clip. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because I'm uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.